welcome back to another dazzling poo video. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing great, and I'm also good in this wedding season, as this is November and everywhere wedding season is going on. So yeah, there is a wedding at my home also. It's my brother's. So in today's video, I'm gonna share my all jewelry collection which I'm gonna use in my brother's wedding. And yeah, tell me one more thing, that if you wanna see my all clothing and dressing haul or collection for this wedding, if yes, then just comment me down below. I will just share everything with you. So I hope you will love watching this video and also will enjoy. And yeah, मुझे comment box में भी जरूर बताना कि which jewelry set you like the most. So now without any further ado, just directly fly to the video. Ta-ding. So here I have just very simple plain kind of top so that every jewelry set will be highlighted और आप उसको अच्छे से देख पाएंगे. So this is the first one. This is a rounded design in golden jewelry set, and I bought it from an Instagram store and it came out really very beautiful and quality is awesome. So yeah, and this one is the second one, and I purchased it from a jewelry store from a local market in my hometown, and this is my most favorite one. This is looks so pretty. I just love this one. So and this is a 4-piece kind of set. It has a mangtika also, and this is a kind of bridal jewelry you can say, or you can also wear this type of jewelry as a wedding guest or also on your engagement day. So this one is my most favorite one. So yeah. And so now moving on to my third one. This is also a very heavy kind of jewelry set purchased also from the same Instagram store, and this is really affordable and the beautiful one. This is kind of white nugs and pearls, the mixture of both things, and this is in 4-piece set and really very affordable one. This is like 550 rupees only, and this is really so good. These sets will look so beautiful with some Indian attire. So I just love this one also. So take a closer look. So the next one is a diamond based neck piece, and this is a very small kind of piece, but it looks so elegant with every kind of dress, whether it is Indian or Western. So have a look. It's so pretty. And this one is a mixture of golden and silver kind of jewelry piece, I can say, and it looks so pretty when you wear it. And I bought it from the Sarojini market of the famous Delhi's market in just rupees only 100. Can you believe it? And it looks so amazingly beautiful. And this one is my next one, and here I'm trying it for the first time. This is my new purchase, and I'm really excited to wear this one. This neck piece can be separately used with some western kind of dress, and with the combined complete set can be used on Indian dress, and it will look so beautiful, believe me. So here you are watching again a fresh piece in my collection. This is also a new purchase, and I'm really excited to use this one also. This is a kind of you can just mix and match this one according to your dress and your creativity with the Western and Indian both kind of dresses. And this is completely golden, and this is a kind of coins. They are small coins in this complete set, and it looks so pretty when you wear some plain kind of blouse or shirt, t-shirt, whatever. So these are the now small kind of jewelries. They are not complete set, but I have just included in this video because they are so pretty and can be mixed and matched with some other jewelry pieces to make it complete and to look more beautiful. So which one is your favorite? Just tell me in comment box, and I hope you really like this video because I really loving my all these sets. So now we'll see you in my another video with some superb content. Till then, bye bye, and of course, take